Hi, I am Amit from Money Talks Finance Pro Tips team. In today's video, we are diving into a fascinating topic that combines two growing trends: REITs, real estate investment trusts, and investing. For those exploring ethical or Sharia-compliant investments, REITs offer a unique opportunity to enter the lucrative real estate market without directly owning property. And in India, with its rapidly growing real estate and financial sectors, investing in REITs ETFs is becoming an increasingly attractive option. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know, including what REITs are and how they work, the concept of investing, how to identify Sharia-compliant REITs, the Indian REIT market, ETFs as an investment vehicle, the pros, cons, and future potential of REITs in India. Let's get started. 1. What are REITs and how do they work? A real estate investment trust, REIT, is a company that owns, operates, or finances income-generating real estate. These can include commercial properties like office spaces, shopping malls, warehouse, and even residential projects. REITs work like mutual funds, pooling money from investors to purchase real estate assets. Investors earn returns in two primary ways: dividends, generated from rental income of the properties; capital appreciation, growth in the value of the real estate portfolio over time. Key benefits of REITs include diversification, spread your investments across various real estate sectors; liquidity, REITs are traded on stock exchanges, making them more liquid than traditional real estate investments; accessibility, you can invest with relatively small amounts compared to purchasing real estate directly. 2. What is investing? Investing refers to investing in accordance with Islamic principles. The key requirements for an investment to be include avoidance of interest. Investments should not generate income through interest-bearing activities. Ethical business practices. Investments must avoid businesses dealing in alcohol, gambling, pork, and other prohibited activities. Asset-backed investments. Investments should be tied to tangible assets, not speculative ventures. In the case of REITs, compliance is achieved when the underlying assets and financial operations adhere to these principles. For instance, a REIT owning commercial or residential properties without interest-based financing could be considered Sharia-compliant. 3. How to identify REITs? To invest in REITs, you'll need to evaluate the following factors. A. Asset screening. Ensure that the properties owned by the REIT are free from prohibited activities, such as casinos or nightclubs. Residential and office properties are generally acceptable. B. Financial screening. Avoid REITs with significant interest-based financing. Look for REITs with low debt-to-equity ratios and those using Islamic finance instruments like Islamic bonds. C. Certification. Seek REITs that are certified by recognized Sharia boards or institutions. Certification ensures that the REIT complies with all aspects of Islamic law. 4. REITs market in India. India's REIT market is still in its nascent stages but is growing rapidly. With increased urbanization and demand for commercial spaces, REITs offer a new avenue for retail and institutional investors to participate in the booming real estate sector. Key REITs in India: Embassy Office Parks REIT, Mindspace Business Parks REIT, Brookfield India Real Estate Trust. These REITs primarily focus on commercial office spaces and are listed on the stock exchanges, offering liquidity and transparency to investors. 5. Investing in REIT ETFs. ETFs, exchange-traded funds, are another layer of accessibility for investors. A REIT ETF pools investments into a diversified portfolio of REITs, allowing you to gain exposure to multiple real estate sectors with a single investment. Benefits of REIT ETFs. Diversification. ETFs spread risk across multiple REITs. Cost-effective, lower expense ratios compared to actively managed funds. Liquidity, easy to buy and sell on stock exchanges. Transparency, clear information about holdings and performance. For investors, ETFs focused on Sharia-compliant REITs are ideal. While there are limited options in India today, global markets offer ETFs like MSCI World Islamic ETF, which could serve as a benchmark for future offerings in India. 6 Advantages of REIT investments. A. Ethical wealth building. REITs allow investors to grow their wealth while staying true to their ethical and religious principles. B. Lower barriers to entry. Unlike direct real estate investments, REITs require smaller capital, making it easier for investors to start. C. Regular income. With a mandate to distribute a large percentage of profits as dividends, REITs provide a steady income stream. D. Market accessibility. REITs and ETFs listed on stock exchanges are more liquid and accessible than traditional real estate investments. 7 Challenges of REIT investments in India. A. Limited options. The concept of REITs is still emerging in India, with few certified options available. B. Regulatory framework. While India has made strides in establishing a robust REIT framework, focused regulations are lacking. C. Currency and inflation risks. Investors must consider macroeconomic factors like inflation and currency devaluation, which can impact returns. D. Debt levels. Many Indian REITs rely on conventional financing, which might not align with principles. 8. The future of REITs in India. As awareness of ethical investing grows, the demand for REITs is likely to increase. Regulatory support and collaboration with Islamic financial institutions could pave the way for the development of certified REITs in India. The following trends could shape the future. Introduction of fee-based REIT financing. Development of residential-focused REITs. Increased participation of global Sharia-compliant ETFs in Indian markets. 9. Is investing in REITs right for you? Investing in REITs and ETFs in India is an excellent option for investors seeking ethical and Sharia-compliant avenues for wealth creation. It combines the benefits of real estate investing with the liquidity and accessibility of the stock market. However, as with any investment, due diligence is crucial. Assess your financial goals, risk tolerance, and the ethical alignment of the investment before committing. 10. Conclusion. India's REIT market holds immense potential, and for investors, it offers a unique opportunity to participate in the real estate boom while adhering to Islamic principles. With increasing awareness and regulatory developments, the future looks promising for REITs in India. What are your thoughts on REIT investments and ETFs? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your network, and subscribe to the channel for more insights into ethical investing and emerging market trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.